Okay, it's Ed Jr. here. I thought while I was at it, I'd go ahead and I'd do a little video and on spot welding. I've got to add about an inch or so to this floor pan. So I thought I'd show you guys how to do a little bit of spot welding while I was at it. First thing you want to do is make sure that you got you a good clean edge. And the best thing for you to do is take your explain it to you. What you want to do is you just want to grind down the edge of this right here on both pieces. And just grind down the edge right there, so that way you know you got like a little valley for your weld to drop down into. You know, you're not just welding on top of the metal. And then you go and you grind it off, and then it's all flimsy and shit. So what I do is I just take the grinder, Alright, I've got this all set up now. You want to grind your wire off to the piece you're working on. I've got my welder set on the minimum, and I got it turned down real low to about 3. You know, lesser chance of me blowing through this metal. So what you want to do, see I've already got a couple spots started, so I know where I want to weld at. You just want to take it and it'll probably help if I turn the welder on, right? Okay. You just want to go like an inch apart from each other. And that's it. Jump over about right here. Hell, shit. Okay, that's pretty much how you do it. You want to take it in steps, go along, go about an inch apart from each other, then you want to come back, and you want to go in between the two, right in the middle. That, right there, and so on, and go all the way across with it. I need to get this edge right here. It covers your home until it's damaged or destroyed, all with great rates. So instead of regrets, get the new earring. Go about an inch away from it. I need my wire to be shorter. I'll be right back. Yeah. Come about an inch back from that. An inch back from that. And so on. That way, you know, you don't actually want to try to let it cool off a little bit too, man. I'm gonna skip around that. right here is, this edge is bugging me, man. That's pretty much it. Then you want to go back. Now you can take your clamps and everything off. I'm going to leave that one on that edge there. And you just want to go in between your welds. Say put one right there, and you want to jump over and you want to put one right there, and keep going so on, and just put them right in the center as you go along, and vice versa. Then you come back over and you start over again, or you can just come off the weld you just laid down. A lot of people do it that way. You can just come up next to that weld, spot it, come up to this one, spot it, and so on down the line, and keep going back and forth. That's the best way to do it. If you try to run a bead down there and you'd have that, it'd look like a big wave in the ocean. So you can see there ain't much warpage or nothing in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish getting that welded up, and I'll be right back.